How to fix Google Play Store keeps closing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down here until you find apps and then click apps again, and here type Google Play and click on it. And first thing you need to do here is to click force stop and then click clear data and click OK, and after that click write system settings. If you find it like that, just open it, allow it, and then go to permissions and give it all of those permissions here, and that's it. Now restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.